Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Coach bag haul because I went into the Coach outlet store and I found a couple of very cute pieces, and then when I came home I went crazy on eBay and on Poshmark. I went into a rabbit hole and I'm still there. I think I might get one more bag because I found a few that are so cute and I went into a very specific niche. So first I went to the outlet store. Actually, I was supposed to go to Ralph Lauren. That was the purpose of going to this particular mall, and then I decided to just skip Ralph Lauren and go into Coach because I kind of got curious last minute. So I got this cute bag, and it's like a shoulder bag. It does fit in my arm. Very cute. And not only that, but when I go to travel I can definitely wear this or use it as just like a pouch. I can just put whatever in here, like pens or makeup or whatever, and it's just like, I just thought it was adorable. And that is why I got it. That is how the inside looks like. And then I also saw this very cute pouch and I just had to get it, you guys. Isn't this just adorable? Completely adorable. And then when I got out of the store, I thought about growing up. One of my aunts had Coach bags and a Coach cosmetics pouch that had, instead of like this brown leather next to the zipper, it was white. So it was white leather. So I started thinking about that and then I couldn't stop thinking about that. I went to a rabbit hole, you guys. And then the rabbit hole came to this. I got this beautiful pouch, which is in like amazing condition. So I feel like I'm a pretty lucky person to find, like, most of the things that I buy, like pre-loved or whatever, are new, pretty much. Anyway, so that is the inside of the bag. How cute, right? Like, I love obviously the stripes. Like, how cute. And then the tag, oh my gosh. And it was like in perfect condition. Like, there's no stains in here, you guys. And yeah, so I got this one in Poshmark, and look at this cute little tag. This one had a little bit of a stain, if you see that, but I just think it's color transfer or something different. It's not a stain because, believe me, I Clorox the F out of this thing. And then this is a tan. I thought it was white and the pictures looked white, but I did send a message to the seller and they confirmed it's tan, which it's fine. I would have liked if it was white, but it's okay. But the thing is that I missed, I just wanted a cosmetics pouch from Coach with the white leather. So I got it and I did clean it, sanitize it and all that. It is just in such great condition. Like, I'm just so shocked, you guys. But also, I'm a natural inspector, obviously. And then on eBay, I saw a couple of things and I decided to get this bag. So this one came in actually last night. So I have not cleaned it yet. But the lady said it is pretty much kind of like unused. So they didn't really use it that much or hardly anything. And by inspecting it on the inside, I do know that's true because there's not even one stain. So it was also in pristine condition. Also, I love the mini CCs, which it's kind of hard to find nowadays, which it doesn't exist, I don't think, at this point. So the lady said this is 16 years old, and I definitely believe her because I remember seeing these Coach bags also, like with the white leather, growing up. So I am just so pleased that this is such in a great condition. Look, you guys, there's not even one stain, not even one scratch, you guys. Like, Yeah, so I definitely have to clean it and sanitize it because that's what I like to do. And then you know, the cute little tag, this, but also the seller gave me a couple of little things, like very girly. She gave me this cute little bag charm, so cute. And also she gave me this claw clip, which is like a star, but it's blue and it's iridescent, and I just thought that was so adorable. And then she gave me like 3 or 4 bow stickers and a hand sanitizer spray with a little cover, which I thought it was adorable. Oh my gosh. So of course I like all that stuff, all the extras, all the gifts, but this is how this looks on the inside. So just such great condition. So not only that, but I definitely have more things that I'm eyeing on eBay, you guys. I just think that some things are just better vintage. But look at how cute it looks. Like, so it looks so cute. Oh my god, I love this so good. This is such a great decision, and this is more like a summer bag to me, and that's fine. I think today is the last warm day, you guys. The rest of the week is going to be the highest of 60 degrees. I think I can wear it also now in the transition to fall for a little bit, but I just thought this was just adorable, you guys. Yeah, I am very, very happy with everything that I got, you guys. And Poshmark is so dangerous. There's so many cute things. And eBay, don't even talk about eBay. It's just so dangerous in there. There's so many great vintage bags that I just saw, and a lot of them are in great condition, and of course authentic. I only want authentic, you know, things, nothing that is not authentic, that is kind of like fake or anything. I don't want anything like that. But yeah, sometimes it's better to take a look on eBay and see what they've got, depending on the brand that you really like. Like, for example, if you're really into LV, just search vintage Louis Vuitton bags and see if you like anything. And it doesn't have to be like a full bag. Maybe it could be like a planner or like a passport cover. It can be a cosmetics pouch, it can be like a pencil pouch or something like that. So yeah, so my stickers, I discovered like this new page on Instagram, and it's pretty much stickers that are specifically for the back of your phone, of your iPhone. And it's like a mood board slash like goal board. So I got 2 different set of stickers. I got one, the New York one, and then I got a different one, kind of like more girly. And I brought this cute LV pouch, and this is the New York sticker, New York taxi. Here says I love New York. The Ralph Lauren little coffee cup, and then money, because who doesn't like money? And then there's a couple of like messages here. This one, I really like this one. This one says, "Mom, I am a rich man." So I just thought that that was just adorable and so cute. And I'm going to link it because I just thought that was so adorable. And then the other stickers, because not all the 2-pack of stickers fit here. So the other stickers, I just put it on my laptop, which is in my office. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.